Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. In this channel, we only learn Dinka language, and we know Dinka language is one of the local language is spoken by majority of South Sudanese. So, for those who wish to come to South Sudan, you have to know the basic of Dinka language here, and this is the right channel for you. And today our topic is going to focus on how to introduce yourself in Dinka language. Today you are going to introduce yourself in Dinka language. This topic is going to be long, and I believe if you listen carefully and watch it from the beginning to the end, you are going to learn a very important language today. That is how to introduce yourself. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notification, like our video, share our video, and that is the only way you can help us so that YouTube can recognize our channel. Then and we are going to see the introduction. Yes, it's a very interesting topic today. Yes, you are going to know how to introduce yourself to others. So if you want to learn Dinka language, welcome, and we start. The first one, how to introduce yourself in Dinka language is chol in nga, 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 chol in nga. That means, what is your name? What is your name? If someone asks you Shol Inga, it means what is your name? Or you can say Let An Rianku. Let An Rianku. Tell me your name. Shol Riankunga. What is your name? It's the same thing, but the basic one is this one, Shol Inga. Shol Inga. Shol Inga. What is your name? Shol is like how do you call yourself? Yin mean you. Nga. U. Nga mean who. Shol yin nga. What or who. Shol yin nga. What is your name? Then you reply and achol and achol. Then you write your name and achol William, or you can say and achol John, or and achol James, or and achol Rebecca, or and achol Maria. And that is, my name is William, John, James, Rebecca, or Mary. That is how you reply. Chol Yinga and a Chol. Then you write your name there. Chol Riankunga. Chol Riankunga. Chol Riankunga. Chol Riankunga. What is your name? Chol Riankunga. What is your name? Like I said it before. Chol Riankunga is another way of asking what is your name. Rianku, this one, Rianku, Rianku, Ra-I-N-Ku, Rianku, Rianku mean your name, your name, your name. Chol Riankunga, what is your name? Rianku mean your name, Rianku, Rianku. Chol Riankunga, Chol Riankunga, Chol Riankunga. What is your name? Then you reply Rianche Achol, Rianche Achol. You just put the same Rianche, Rianche Achol, Garang, Ari, Gadluak, Duang, Kwal, Malit, Achwil, Adut, Akwal, Anger, Alwat, Majak, Tong, Lual, Bol, Dut, Chor. There are so many names, so you can say your name there. Riancha Achol, then you say your name. The other thing we need to know is Yeran Pan Tanen. Yeran Pantanen. Yeran Pantanen. Yeran Pantanen. Are you from which country? Yeran Pantanen. Yeran Pantanen mean are you from which country or are you from which village? Are you from which village? Mean Yeran Pantanen. Then you reply, an Iran Ipandi Chol America, or an Iran Ipandi Chol Sudan, an Iran Ipandi Chol Awul, an Iran Ipandi Chol Bor. Iran Pannen, are you from which country? Then your reply is an Iran Pandit, an Iran Ipandit Chol America, an Iran Ipandit Chol Sudan, an Iran Ipandit Chol Awul, an Iran Ipandit Chol Bor. I am from the biggest country or village state called America, Sudan, Awil, or Bor. Yes, you can say any. Like country, America, Sudan, a country. Then Awil is a state. Bor is a state. These are a state in South Sudan. Bor and Awil. Another thing to ask is Chol Pandun Da. Chol Pandun Da. Chol Pandun Da. Chol Pandun Da. You see question mark. Chol Pandun Da. Chol Pandun Da. What is the name of your village or country? You can say Panda Achol America, Junub, Sudan, Junub, Sudan, Nyamlel, Canada, Australia, Rumbek, Kwajok. You can say Panda Achol America, Junub, Sudan, that is South Sudan, Nyamlel, Canada, that is Canada, Australia, that is Australia, Rumbek, Kwajok, these are states in South Sudan. My country or village is called South Sudan, Nyamlel, etc. Yinchol, Yinloda, you are asking someone, where are you going? Where are you going, man? Yinloda, Yi-lo-da, Yin-lo-da, Yin-lo-da, Yin-lo-da. We know that Yin means you. Lo-da, where are you going? Yin-lo-da, where are you going? Then you reply, Analo, America, Analo Awul, Analo Nyamlel, Analo Panakim, and Analo Panabun, Analo Amadich, and again Canada, or and again Geo Yinloda, where are you going? This is, you can reply with anyone, with any of this one here. And allo, you can say I'm going to America, that is an allo America, or I'm going to Awil, or I'm going to Nyamlel, or I'm going to hospital. Hospital means Panakim. You see here, Panakim, hospital. But Pan mean home. Pan mean home, and Akim mean doctor. This that's how we say it. Panakim or Pankoituan. Or you can say unlock Panabun. Panabun mean I'm going to school, or I'm going to the Amadich. Amadich mean I'm going to meeting. Or and Kane Canada, or I'm visit Canada. I'm visiting Canada, or gave town or market. And Kane gave, you can say and Kane gave That means you are going to town or you are going to market. Geo, geo mean town or market. That is Medina. That's how you say it. Chol yin loda, where are you going? And hello, America, and la awil, and la nyumlel, and la panakim, and la panabun, and la amadi. Or you can say and king in Canada, or you can say and king gale. That's I'm going to the town. Yinbo tanen, another way of asking people. Yinbo tanen, yin bo tanen, yinbo tanen. This one, yin bo tanen, yinbo tanen. Question mark. You are asking someone, where do you come from? Sorry, where do you come from? Where do you come from? Mean in bo tanen, in bo tanen, yin bo tanen. Where do you come from? Then you can reply and bo pan chol nyamlel, and bo pan chol nyamlel. I'm coming from Nyamlel. So you will reply where you are coming from, whether you are coming from Will, you are coming from America, you are coming from Canada. You will say and above Panchol Canada, and above Panchol America, and above Panchol Australia, and above Panchol Junub Sudan, and above Panchol Shumal Sudan. I'm coming from Nyamlel. Yinbot Tanen. Where do you come from? And above Panchol Nyamlel. I'm coming from Nyamlel. Nyamlel is a town in Awil. In Awil, we know Awil is the state. It's one of the states in South Sudan. I'm from Awil, and I'm from Nyamlel, and Bob Panchol Nyamlel. So that's where my home is. My home country, my home county is from Nyamlel. That is called Awil West County, Nyamlel. And above Panchol Nyamlel, and above Panchol Nyamlel dit, and above Panchol Nyamlel ti, and above Panchol Nyamlel, Awil West County. Ngoloi, ngoloi. That's you are asking question. What are you doing? Ngoloi, ngoloi, ngoloi. What are you doing? And alui panakim, and alui panakim, and alui panakim. I'm working in hospital. And alui panakim, we already get before panakim mean hospital, and now and alui panakim mean I'm working in hospital, or I'm working at the hospital. So when someone asks you ngoloi, like asking someone what job are you doing, what are you doing, so someone will reply you and lui panakim inen bin duk pandun. So inen bin duk pandun, someone is asking you, maybe you have visited Australia and someone come and see you there and say inen bin duk Junub Sudan, inen bin duk Junub Sudan. Yenen Binduk Pandun, when will you return back to your home or to your country or to your village? Yenen Binduk Pandun, when will you return back to your home or country or village? Then you will reply, and abuduk panda nyak, and abuduk panda nyak, and abuduk panda nyak, and abuduk panda nyak, and abuduk panda nyak. I will return to my country tomorrow. We know this one, nyak. Nyak means tomorrow. Nyak. Na, I, a, ka. Na, I, a, ka. This is ha, ha, ha. This ha, na, I, ha, ka. Nyak. Nyak means tomorrow. And abuduk panda nyak. I will return to my country tomorrow. Yenen binduk pandun. Yenen binduk pandun? Question. Yenen binduk pandun? Yenen binduk pandun? When will you return to your country or to your village or to your home? Then you reply, Anabuduk panda nyak. Anabuduk panda nyak. And abuduk panda nyak. You can say Anabuduk panda nyak. I will return to my country tomorrow, or to my home tomorrow, or to my village tomorrow. Apap. Nialit wada abiduk kedor. Then that friend who asks you when will you return to your home will tell you apap. Nialit wada abiduk kedor. Apap. Nialit wada abiduk kedor. Good. God our Father will take you back with peace. Good. God our Father will take you back with peace. And this apat means good, nice, good, nice, fantastic. Knowledge means God. Wada means our Father. Knowledge wada, God our Father. Abiduk tekdor will take you back with peace, in peace. This one, door, mean peace. Door. Like in the church they say, Bidor nialik rail kek yin. Bidor nialik rail kek wait. May peace of God be with you. May peace of God be with you. That is door. Apat. Nialik wada bidu kek door. Good. God our Father will take you back in peace, with peace. Yin challenge, then you will reply when your friend tell you about nyali wada bidu kekdor, then you will reply to him, yin challenge madya. Yin challenge madya mean I appreciate you, my friend. Madya, I did not write madya here, but madya mean friend. Yin challenge randia, yin challenge madya. Inchale wamat, inchale nyankai. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, my brother. I appreciate you, my sister. I appreciate you, my dear. I appreciate you, my friend. Yes, that's how you can reply. Inchale, I appreciate you. Then you add inchale madya. I appreciate you, my friend. Inchale randia. I appreciate you, my dear. Inchalet Wamat, I appreciate you, my brother. Inchalet Nyankai, I appreciate you, my sister. Inchalet Mama, I appreciate you, my mother. Inchalet Baba, I appreciate you, my father. Inchalet Randy, I appreciate you, dear. That's how you can reply. Inen Binduk Pandun, when will you return back to your country? And Abuduk Panda Nyak, I will return to my country tomorrow. Apa nialik wada abiduk kekdor yin challenge ngikwen kugat ngikwen kugat ngikwen kugat ngikwen kugat. Do you know reading and writing? Do you know how to read and write? Ngikwen kwen mean this one, Quen. Quen mean reading. God mean writing. And this is reading. Do you know reading and writing? Quen. Yin Quen God. Do you know reading and writing? Then you reply, and Quen God. And Quen Kugat, and ngich kwen kugat, and ngich kwen kugat. I know reading and writing. That's how you reply. I know reading and writing. Ngich tong Englisi, ngich tong Englisi, ngich tong English. Do you know English? Do you know English? Ngi tong English. Do you know English? Anyech ta tin nhọt. Anyech ta tin nhọt. I know little. Anyech. Anyech means I know. Ta tin nhọt. Ta tin nhọt mean little bit. I know a little bit. I know a little bit. Anyech ta tin nhọt. I know a little bit in Arabic. Shwaya shwaya. Shwaya shwaya. You know it very small small. Small small. Yeah. Small small mean ta tin nhọt. Ta tin nhọt. Ta tin nhọt. I know little. Nitong English. Do you know English? Anyech ta tin nhọt. I know little little. Ngich pan chol nhom lel. Ngich pan chol nhom lel. I'm the one asking you because I'm from Nyamlel. Ngich pan chol Nyamlel. Ngich pan chol Nyamlel. Nyamlel is a home or is a town. Is a county. Nyawul. Ngich pan chol Nyamlel. Do you know Nyamlel? Do you know Nyamlel? Then you reply pan chol Nyamlel anyech. Pan chol Nyamlel achangich. You can say pan chol Nyamlel achangich. Achangich. Panchol Nyamlel Akwach. Panchol Nyamlel Akwach. Akwach mean I don't know Nyamlel. Achangich. Achangich mean I don't know Nyamlel. Nyech. Panchol Nyamlel Anyech. If you say Panchol Nyamlel Anyech, you mean I know Nyamlel. So in this case we say Panchol Nyamlel Achangich or Panchol Nyamlel Akwach. A-ka-u-och. Akwach. I don't know Nyamlel. That's how you reply. Chol bany pan. Chol bany du nga. Chol bany du nga. Chol bany du nga. Who is your sheep? Chol bany du nga. Who is your sheep? Or who is your president? Or who is your sultan? Bany dia achol dut majak majak. Bany dia achol dut majang imajak. Bany dia achol dut majang imajak. My sheep is called dut majak majak. When you are from Gombiar, you know your sheep is called dut majang majak. Yeah, dut majang majak. That's the sheep. Sultan is sultan. So Iran panun nen. Iran panun nen. Iran panun nen. So we are talking about the sultan. Dut majang majak. Because someone asked you before, chol bany dunga, who is your sheep? Then you reply, bany chol dut majang majak. My sheep is called dut majang majak. Then he will also ask you, Iran panun nen. In dut majang majak, Iran panun nen. Then you will reply, he is from which section? Yes, is he from which section? Then you will reply, Yeneran panun chol gomjer akot autiak. Yeneran panun chol gomjer akot autiak. Yen eran panun chol gomjer akot autiak. He is from Gomjer Akot Autiak. He is from Gomjer Akot Autiak. That is where he is. Iran Pakirngo. Iran Pakirngo. Yen Sultan. Iran Pakirngo. He is from which clan? Yen Iran Parek. Yen Iran Gol Parek. Yen Iran Parek. He is from Parek clan. He is from Parek Kalan. You know, in South Sudan we have tribes. Tribe is the largest. Then tribe is also subdivided into sub-tribe. And then within that tribe, they also divided themselves into clan. And clan, yes, that is clan a group of people who are related, like Parek, they are related. They are a group of people who are related. And for example, me, I'm from Parek, and if I want to marry, I cannot marry a lady or a girl from Parek because I consider her as my close relative, and she's my sister. Whether she's from Australia, whether she's from Canada, whether she's from Europe, whether she's from where, I don't know her, but she's from a clan called Parek. I will never marry her. It's not me alone, but it's for everyone who is from Parek clan. There are other clans there, like Pasher, they are there, Dumo, they are there, Paliech, they are there. I'm also related to Paliech because my mother is from Paliech clan, so I cannot marry a lady from Paliech clan. So that is how it is. So we respect the clan, we also respect the tribe, and we also respect the traditional beliefs. Yes. Yen Iran Pakirngo is from which clan? Yen Iran Parek. He's from Parek clan. And Chijal. Then you finish the conversation, you say, and Chijal. And Chijal. I'm going. Okay, I'm going. Well, if you say he's from Parek clan, so I'm going. And Chijal, I'm going. The same, you say, Ok abiben rom niak. A culturally. Ok abiben rom niak. A chelit. A chelit. A chelit. Ok abiben rom niak. A chelit. We shall meet tomorrow in the afternoon. We shall meet tomorrow in the afternoon. A chelit is afternoon. Afternoon. Then niak mean tomorrow. And Chijan, I'm going. You want to say bye bye? Oga Buba Romniak, a culturality. We shall meet tomorrow again in the afternoon. Yes, if you want to meet with your friend again, then you tell Oga Buba Romniak, Madia, Oga Buba Romniak, Wadia, Oga Buba Romniak, Nyankai, Oga Buba Romniak, Wamat. That is how you say. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, this is the end of our video for today. It's a very long video and it's a very good video. If you watch it to till the end, I hope you will learn very good words and how to introduce yourself in Dinka language. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video with your loved one, and like the video. That's the only way you can help me, so that YouTube can recognize our channel, so that we can have so many people watching our videos, and we learn together as one community. Our focus is learn Dinka language. The English, the little English I give here, I hope it can also help other people who don't know English, so you can also concentrate to learn English and also learn Dinka too. You are going to learn English, you are also going to learn Dinka, and you are also going to learn culture, Dinka culture. So that's very important, and thank you. Benyalish, we Dodge, may God bless you all. Benyalish, we Dodge, we Dodge. This is not weak. If it is in English, we call it weak. But here, in Dinka, we call it wake. Wake, you. That means you. Dodge. Binyalich wake, Dodge. Wake means it's a plural form of you. Binyalich wake, Dodge. May God bless you all. And this is the end of our lesson. And thank you so much for taking time to watch our video. What you need to do, you only need to subscribe, like our video, share our video, and so that we can have a better large family here in learning Dinka language and also learning English at the same time. And because then nearly a week Wogabuban Yok Damandet. And the next lesson is going to be a short story between crocodile and Nile fish. Nyang ku nyang ku gut. That is the next lesson I will bring. So it's a very interesting story. It's very short and it's good. I will only share it in Dinka, and if you guys need translation, I will also add English there. So that's our next lesson. So please stay tuned and thank you. Bye.